How to see toll prices on Google Maps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google Maps application on your phone. The Google Maps app allows users to navigate, explore, and discover places using real-time traffic data, turn-by-turn directions, and various modes of transportation like driving, walking, cycling, and public transit. Once you're here, go to the search bar at the top. Type in the name of the location you're looking and tap on it. Once the pin is dropped, you'll see options like directions, save, share, or add a label at the bottom. Swipe up to view the location details such as the duration needed to reach the place from your current location, as well as the photos and more. As you can see, you can also view if there is a toll station in that area. Following these steps, you can easily see toll prices on Google Maps on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.